What do you want to tell to Shreyans through this video?
What do you
What
mean?
is one thing I want to tell you through the video?
I don't know, even I told one.
What did you say?
I forgot.
That's the mic.
Oh,
Yeah.
Camera 1, 2, 3, action.
Mic testing 1, 2, 3. Hello.
And do you remember what was her impression?
Of me?
Do you
My first impression of him was that he talks a lot.
describe Shreyans in one word?
Optimistic chatterbox.
Yeah, she thought I was an absolute cocky guy.
Like he talks just non-stop. He likes to talk business non-stop.
So I'm going to ask her this that she cannot deny.
She cannot deny
Right.
what he does.
He thinks he's always right, but you should know it if he's actually right or not.
For my next company, I want Arushi to be the co-founder. And that she cannot deny.
Can't. I'll buy my
Like that, Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
शायद अब तो कोई दोनों एक दूसरे को इतने लंबे टाइम से जानते हैं तो शायद ही कोई सीक्रेट बचा हो.
अब आरुषि के बारे में श्रेयांस जानता है अच्छी तरह से.
ஸ்ரேயா இல்ல அவங்களோட பேர் ஹனிபயா. ஹனிபயா.
Shreyans and Arushi also to come up in their life in every areas that they should understand, that they should manage, they should forgive each other, and they should help each other to come up into their life.
Do you remember the first day you saw her?
First day, I've actually met her twice with a match in middle. So
Oh.
it was pretty good.
We met over surfing a lot. Like we met the first time and we spoke about what are my hobbies, and I was surfing a lot at that time, and I just suggested this to him that just try kite surfing, and he just agreed to it instantly. I was like, okay, this is nice. One thing I want to tell Shreyans that he should take me to surfing more often. Feels like I got scammed.
Let's say 10 years from now. Can you picture that?
We're going to do something else apart from a water one.
One trip.
Yeah?
One trip.
Just one. And then 5 again, we're going to do
Yeah.
water. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. Went for like surfing for like the first 6-7 months, and then I
3.
said maybe 4,
Four.
5,
4.
5.
4.
I know you guys fight maybe a lot and maybe argue. You guys are very stubborn and independent as individuals, but whenever it is for each other, you guys are always there. So good job on that.
So how does she look? Like, I'm sure this is not.
pretty, right? Like damn beautiful. But yeah, she looks pretty.
Thanks.
That's
You also
about
look
it.
pretty baby.
Okay, yeah, thanks.
எல்லாம் கனவு மாதிரி கடகடன்னு வளர்த்துட்டாங்க பசங்க. கண்ணு மூடி கண்ணு திறக்கிறதுக்குள்ள பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு கல்யாணம் ஆகுது இருக்கும்போது இட்ஸ் a journey of happiness.
She's pretty sweet. I mean, like Arushi is always very beautiful.
How you told it to your parents and what was their first thoughts on this?
My parents were like, okay, why don't you now get married? Yeah, I mean, I think it was more initiated by them
Okay.
than by me.
Now that your wedding is over and the reception is happening, what's running in your mind?
Right now, that I just can't see.
Oh, what do you want to say?
அவங்களே எல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டாங்க. எதுவுமே வைக்கலையே சொல்றது.
இல்லப்பா நிறைய இருக்கு
நீ
உங்ககிட்ட.
நீ சொல்லிட்டேப்பா. எல்லாம் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் லீக் பண்ணிட்டீங்க நீங்க.
இல்லையே
எல்லாம் கரெக்டா பாத்து
இதெல்லாம் சந்தோஷத்தின்
அவங்களுக்கு
மெமரிஸ்.
The fellow was very acceptable in his body language and general behavior. So we were very delighted that someone is in her life. So we were very happy.
Excited to get to the venue and see how the evening goes.
Okay, let's go for it. I never knew what love could do to a heart that
उसको खेलने का और घूमने का ट्रेवल करने का बहुत शौक है तो he must be knowing well. Yeah, that's it.
met you. Now my heart is yours forever. You're the one I wanna dance.
He is a very nice guy, very loving boy, and he cares and love Arushi very much. So I am contented, satisfied. I really love that. Love Shreyans, and I appreciate Arushi's choice.
Without you, I'd be lost. I need you by my side for the rest of my life. Without you, I'd be lonely. Without you, I'd be weak. I need your love till death do us part. Can this be true?
லைஃப்ல எதுவுமே சண்டை வரும் எல்லாமே வரும் சொன்ன மாதிரி பட் மஸ்ட் நாட் கேரி ஆன் நான் அப்படிதான்
Has longed for someone pinch me.
I want to thank God for this wonderful event. That all credit goes to Jesus Christ, the God, the Savior, the one who made heaven and earth.
This is reality. You're the one I wanna dance with.
She, 55, I think.
No. And never let go. Without you, I'd be lonely. Without you, I'd be lost. I need you by my side for the rest of my life. Without you,
We do a lot of similar stuff, play a lot of sport, we have fun together, we chill a lot together, and naturally, I mean, like, it had to just get there. It was just about time.
I need your love till death do us part. I'm not afraid to admit that you become my everything. I'm not afraid to tell you that I fear a future without you.
At the end of the day, whatever she would probably say, I think it would be like fulfilled with no sort of queries and there's no desires for man that is left. So I mean, like, you have to do whatever you have to do.
மீண்டும் சந்திப்போம் until then goodbye
Thank you.
உங்களோட இருந்து பேச கத்துக்கிட்டப்பா